By now, you'll recognise a sentence like Hami gan cúideachach. I'm helping them. When the object of the verbal noun, a cúideachach, is a pronoun, them, we need to bring it to the front in the form of gam, gat, gan, at them. Hami gan cúideachach. For example, I was doing it. Bhami ga dhéanamh. We can use the same structure in the passive sense of something being done. For example, I was being worn down by work. Bhami gamharachach le opad. Or, the dinner was being made. Van jinier ga dhéanamh. For this meaning of something being done, the possessive ga particle has to match the subject of the sentence. So, I was being va mi gam, you were being va u gat. Linda was being va Linda ga. Linda was being trained va Linda ga tréinigh. We were being followed va sin gar léinteinn.